Morning, guys. How are you guys doing? How's the day going? I don't know what time of the day are you watching this video, but as you can see, I'm literally walking in the woods. So, आज का daily notes of gratitude. Well, guys, I had a wonderful realization. Like I knew it somewhere, but होता है ना कि कई बार आपके दिमाग में चीजें आप भूल जाते हो. So what happened was that I have this tendency, like being protective of the people that I'm close to, my loved ones and all. And any given point of time, if my intuition or like evidently अगर मुझे दिख रहा है कि मेरे अपनों के साथ कुछ बुरा होने वाला है या somebody is going to hurt them or they're going to get into a problem, I obviously, as a well-wisher, as somebody who loves them, will obviously हम सब शायद we'll tell them कि listen, don't get into this, or at least एक warning तो देंगे ही. बट मेरे साथ क्या होता है, वार्निंग के ऊपर चली जाती हैं चीज़ें. लाइक आई गेट रियली एंग्शियस बिकॉज ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत हेल्पलेस फील करने लगती हूँ कि अगर सामने वाला नहीं सुन रहा है, वो नहीं समझना चाहता है, या फिर आई नो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि ओ माई गॉड तुम अगर बोल रही तो मैं हर चीज़ क्यों मानूँ तुम्हारी. आई अग्री, बट जेन्युइनली इंट्यूशंस आर लाइक रियली एक्यूरेट. तो और अगर इंट्यूशन नहीं है और मैं कुछ देख रही हूँ, लाइक इट्स बेसिक लॉजिकल ऑब्जर्वेशन, उस हिसाब से भी बीइंग वेरी रैशनल ऑल्सो. बट कल मुझे एक चीज़ लगा कि यार हर किसी की अपनी जर्नी है लाइफ में. आई ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू सर्टन थिंग्स, आई हैड टू ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंस, एंड इवन गिवन कि मैंने उस टाइम पे I went through a lot, but that made me learn a lot of things. And I think I'm a better, a wiser, a far much maturer person. So I just realized that, who am I to stop them from experiencing what they are supposed to experience, to learn the lessons that they need in their lives. So I just decided that I'm not going to interfere. And as a well-wisher, the job of mine is that, okay, I at least tell them that, bro or sister, like behan, whatever, or mummy, papa, bhai, behan, whatsoever, that listen, this is what I feel about it. I don't feel good about it. I feel that might be a problem, or, somebody's trying to trap you or whatsoever. And that's about it. मैं unnecessary बहुत लोड ले लेती थी to an extent that it used to bother me a lot. Like पूरा दिन, I know it's like मुझे अब तो लगने लगा है कि शायद वो मेरी प्रोटेक्टिवनेस से ज़्यादा वो ओवर प्रोटेक्टिवनेस थी. एंड दैट रियलाइजेशन जस्ट dawned upon me last night कि I should not, because who am I, right? And let them experience, because अगर भगवान ने वो सोच समझ के वो एक्सपीरियंस और वो सिचुएशन में उनको डाला है तो कोई रीज़न ही होगा. एंड आई शुड नॉट टॉय अवे विद दैट. सो बिफोर स्लीपिंग what I did was I said that I let go of that anxiousness, I let go of that worry. And I just, as a well-wisher, as somebody who cares and feels protective about my loved ones, I just hope that whatever experiences you have, you learn the lessons, apply them in your life, and become a wiser person, maturer person, a more grateful person, and see everything in a positive perspective, that whatever happened or is happening or will happen in life, good, bad, ugly, is for our good, is for us to learn something. And I was like, I let go of all the worries that I'm having and the anxiousness, and I had a very peaceful sleep. और आज मैं मॉर्निंग में जब उठी, मतलब आई ऑलवेज हैव अ पीसफुल स्लीप, बट अभी कुछ टाइम में देयर वर थिंग्स दैट वर बॉदरिंग मी अबाउट माई फ्यू ऑफ माई क्लोज पीपल. बट टुडे मॉर्निंग जनरली मैं उस थॉट के साथ भी कहीं ना कहीं कभी कभी उठती थी, इधर बीच में उठती थी. But today that thought didn't strike me. Their worry didn't strike me. My mind was completely blank and open to receive every good thing. And I'm so glad because of that. आज मैंने ये एक जो रूट लिया है आज is not the one that I have been taking, and जहाँ से मैं ब्लॉग आप लोगों को लास्ट के few times करती रही हूँ. This is a different route. और वही होता है, माइंड क्लाउडेड रहता है तो आपको एक ही उस पर. एंड टुडे आई टुक दिस रूट एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी बिकॉज दिस वाज वन ऑफ माई अनदर फेवरेट रूट्स जो मेरे दिमाग से ही निकल गया था. एज यू कैन सी, फुल वुड्स. कैन यू सी दैट? Deep down, I don't know how much can you see, but it's all woods. And of course, पहाड़ तो होने ही है. वो भी मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. यहाँ से बहुत ही ग्रैंड सा व्यू. Like this is little. You do have houses here. There are some. See, it's all. It's. So I'm glad. And that's what I'm grateful today for, that thank you God for making me realize and helping me let go of. And it feels great not to have any worry or anxiousness that I have been having for the last few days, because I was concerned. And I think too much of anything is not good, and I didn't realize, I think that realization कि मैं कब protective से overprotective होने लगी, paranoid to a level. So I'm glad that realization happened, and I'm thankful to God for that. So thank you God, because honestly I was not looking out for it. I was this thought just ऐसे आया. So I'm glad that it happened, and I'm really thank you. So today morning, waking up with no worry, no anxiousness, no unsettling feeling or wanting to like that paranoia feeling. I'm really happy, and thank you God, thank you nature, and also the fact that I am gotten back to the one of my other routes that I really love, and it's beautiful, serene, peaceful. So, okay, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much, and I hope you also realize something, and the universe, God, whomsoever you believe in, or you yourself, let go of the worries, the anxiousness, the paranoia feeling, the fact that we all want to control things, but the fact of the life is nothing is in our control except our mind. Take care, stay happy, stay kind, and stay grateful.